Hi everybody. I just wanted to do a really quick video with something that I figured out with a 8.5 FI class, and I wanted to share it with the rest of my classes. This is about gizmos, and I'm going to do my best to keep it short and sweet. You don't necessarily have to draw any more triangles, at least not for gizmos. Let's dive in, and I want to show you what I'm talking about. So, as linked on our class, we have the gizmos project where you're supposed to use triangles and use the gizmo over here to try and figure out your understanding of triangles and to explore that and how to do all that. One of the questions, of course, was asking you to draw. And so here we have, it's got a little box, it's got a little pen shape thing, and you're supposed to draw in a triangle that matches that. Now, you could sketch that using various like drawing tools with your mouse and so on, but I'm going to show you a neat way to do this with screenshots. So you can go over to your gizmos tool. I'm going to make that a little bigger for a second. And so this is gizmos, and you can drag it around, read the document carefully, and it'll walk you through each step. But essentially, there's a shortcut. So I'm going to just turn these off for now. So let's say it's asking me to demonstrate a right scalene triangle. Well, I could sit here, I could get my measure tool out, and I could, remember you're measuring the arms of your thing, so the middle one is the angle you're measuring, BAC, and I can sit here and try to make this into a 90 degree, there it is, 90 degree. So that could be an example of my right angle triangle. There's a faster way. Yeah. So you can actually just go up here and say, hey, one right angle. And now I've got my right angle triangle. Now, I could, do a whole bunch of stuff, and but let me show you these tools. There's a couple neat things in here. You can screenshot this, and it will take a screenshot of all of this, including all these conditions on the left, and including these little measure tools down below. So if you have a specific angle you're trying to measure and demonstrate, you can do that. But even more useful in this case, I'm supposed to draw a right scaling triangle. I have to make sure that the sides are different lengths. So I'm going to just really fast do that because I don't want to make a mistake and get the wrong kind of triangle here. So I'm going to measure up these two sides just like that. They are different lengths. Check that out. Now I'm going to go up to this tool up here. I'm going to fly over and show you this tool right there. That one right there. That. All right. So, I just had to land. Superhero land. No. All right. So I'm going to take a screenshot using that tool. Boom. Click that. It thinks a second and it only gets the triangle. That's the fun part. So now I can right click. And go either save image as and import it, or better yet, just copy. Just copy image. If you're using Windows, it's right click, copy. Other things like tablets and stuff, this might be a bit more tricky, but at least you can get at it this way. So copy. Now I'm going to shrink this back down, and I'm going to go over to where I have to paste it. So here's the trick with this. I know that's an equilateral. Let's pretend for a moment it's the first one that I've already done. So if you click on this box and you try to paste it in, it's not going to work. So instead, I either delete that altogether, boom, and it's all gone. Now I'm just next to it. Now I can paste, either edit paste or just right click paste or control V, whatever one. Click on paste, and there is that exact triangle that I just made over in Gizmos. It's imported in as an image. Hopefully this saves you some time when you're putting all these pieces together. And then don't forget to name your file, send it in when you submit your work, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I hope this saves you some time. I will see you in class on Monday. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.